Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Airbus helicopters selected by European Defense Agency to expand Capa X drone capabilities under M2UAS project. Airbus helicopters, through its subsidiary Capa, has been selected by the European Defense Agency, EDA, for the multi-mission unmanned aircraft system, M2UAS, project. The contract forms part of a series of initiatives lasting 48 months with a total budget of approximately €1.1 million. The project involves the study and development of a hybrid uncrewed aircraft capable of carrying out a variety of operational missions depending on its configuration and payloads. It aims to strengthen European capabilities in the field of uncrewed aerial systems. We would like to thank the EDA for the trust it has placed in us. This selection is a major recognition of our expertise in tactical drone systems and reflects our commitment to supporting the development of innovative European defense capabilities, said Christoph Canwilhelm, director of the Capa X program at Airbus Helicopters. The characteristics of the Capa X system make it particularly well suited to the M2UAS multi-mission unmanned aircraft system project, while offering a scalable operational solution that can be adapted to the needs of the armed forces, he added. The initiative builds on the existing Capa X uncrewed aerial system to further strengthen and expand its operational capabilities. The first phase of the project will last 12 months and will focus on analyzing current and future military operational needs. It will also assess technological challenges and identify potential development pathways to guide and optimize technological choices. The work is expected to enhance the Capa X platform's versatility, efficiency, and multi-mission potential. In the longer term, the project will support the definition of new drone architectures capable of carrying out a wide range of missions. These missions may include surveillance and reconnaissance, electronic warfare, aerial effects deployment, and automated in-flight refueling. The project is therefore intended to contribute to strengthening European operational capabilities in the field of unmanned aerial systems. The Capa X is a 120 kg multi-mission drone with a data link range of 100 km and an endurance of up to 10 hours. It can carry payloads of up to 20 kg and features a modular design that allows it to be adapted to different missions, configurations, and regulatory requirements for public decision makers, armed forces, and civil or parapublic operators. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.